Hello everyone. In today's lesson, Arabic letter shapes in a word, I will introduce you to the letter meme. The letter meme has a very unique shape that is not repetitive in any other form of the Arabic alphabet. If you remember, we compared the top of the letter with a mushroom and the leg of the mushroom. And here, if we look carefully or closely, there is a loop, but it is not closed. However, the letter meme is a cooperative letter that agrees to reshape its form to fit in with other words and connect smoothly and neatly. However, there is one thing that I want to point out is that the letter meme itself, based on style and typography, it can appear as an isolated form like this one. This is the common one. It can appear in different forms or in different styles. Here, for example, the loop is closed, and here it is also closed. But as you can see here, the tail or the string of the meme is slanted. Here it is straight, pointing to the bottom. And here we have the loop is solid. Here we have the other style that the loop is a bit bigger, and it is pointing directly toward the bottom. And here we have the same. This one is the same as the common or the most popular one, but the difference is that the loop is closed. So regardless of the style, we can describe the letter meme as a basic shape in two parts. So if we want to break down the shape of the letter meme, regardless of its style in different fonts, we can say that the two common features is that the meme has the top of the meme looks like a circle, and the lower part here, it looks like a string or a line. And based on these two parts, we will see what part will remain in the connecting and what part will be omitted. And one thing, this shape approximately looks like a muftah, and the word muftah starts with the letter meme. This is a side note. And now let's see how we can recognize the letter meme in different positions. This is, of course, the isolated form. And let's start with the initial position. Here, as we can see, the letter meme kept the loop. Actually, it was a bit opened, but now it is sealed and completely closed. And then we got rid of the dangling string, and we added a connection to connect it to the next letter. With the medial position, we have the same shape as the initial position, except that we extended a line before the letter, so it will be connected to the preceded letter. And finally, in the final position, the meme will restore its original shape. So if the style is with a slightly opened loop, it will take the same style. If it's the styles that we just represented with a closed loop, it will restore its original shape as the isolated form. And as you can see here at the beginning, in the middle, we have the same technique or reshaping. And then at the end, we have the isolated or the original isolated form. Let's look at some examples for the letter meme at different positions within a word and see how they blend. Beginning of a word, and this is the medial position, and this is the final position. And of course, I put some examples, two examples here, when the meme is preceded by a resisting letter. As you can see in the middle, it will take the shape of the initial position, and at the end, it's completely isolated without any extension like here. Now I will leave you with a quick visual review of the reshaping of the letter M. And that was all for today's lesson with the letter M. Thank you for watching. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.